Hello, I'm Richard Fulford of fishlife.co.uk, and it's -2 today, and I nearly cancelled, but I'm at this pond which just needs a little bit of maintenance. There's a few leaves in here that I want to remove. I also want to just remove some of the leaves off the lily here, and there's some gravel at the bottom of the pond which I could leave it there, but it's washed down from the water course. And then the filter up here, I'm going to remove the foams and clean the foams manually. It is cold, and any sort of wet surfaces might freeze. It depends, because the sun is doing quite a good job at warming everything. Most of the frost is starting to melt away. So it just goes to show that you can look out the window at sort of 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning this time of the year, January, late January, and think, oh no, can't work. But it's got to be done, hasn't it, really? You can't just hibernate. I don't hibernate. I'm a gun for hire. I work all year round. And I try not to let the weather hinder progress, really. So I'm just going to spend a little bit of time here over the next hour or so, couple of hours, and just make it look spick and span. I'm Richard Fulford of Fish Life. If you've got any questions about what I do and how I work at this time of the year, it's a good time of the year to work on ponds. Leave a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Cheers.